How do you realize participation of millions of people in large metropolitan cities? This was the single most difficult question in our minds when we started our journey. The problem was to establish a participatory mechanism in Ankara, the capital of Turkey, which allow us to provide citizens a voice in local government affairs. The objective was to first establish a socially inclusive citizens' assembly that involves all the stakeholders in the city. We believe we achieved significant results in a short time by actively devising facilitation techniques and participatory values. There is a very important lesson learned from this. Still, among other technological and organizational innovations, human interaction and especially effective facilitation is the single most important element in successful participation experiences.